Make your home flawless. Say goodbye to dings and dents. The condition of your home speaks volumes about its quality. Smooth, pristine surfaces convey strength and confidence, while dents, dings, and scratches and scrapes make a lasting impression. Don't let these imperfections detract from your home's appeal. Fortunately, addressing them doesn't have to break the bank. Whether the damage is minor or more severe, there's a solution that fits your needs. For small repairs, you can easily handle them yourself with wall putty and paint, saving both time and money. However, if you prefer assistance, I'm here to lend a helping hand. With my extensive network of skilled carpenters and repair experts, we can swiftly tackle any repair job, ensuring impeccable results. Experience has shown that relying on professionals can often be more efficient and cost-effective than attempting DIY repairs. By enlisting their expertise, you'll have peace of mind knowing the work will be done quickly and at a competitive price. When it comes to selling your home, having a dedicated team by your side is crucial. We understand the importance of presenting your property in the best possible light to secure top dollar offers. By addressing those dings and dents, we'll ensure that your home shines, leaving a lasting impression on potential buyers. Choose excellence and let us help you make your home flawless. Contact us today to discuss your repair needs and take the first step towards selling your home for maximum value. On your team, helping you sell your home for top dollar.